Hi, Miss Bamboa. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello ma'am, good day. My name is Jenny Padua Bamboa, 43 years old, from Coronadal, South Cotabato, and I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes ma'am, I have two kids, two boys, aged 23 and 14 years old.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have four brothers and four sisters. I am the fourth of the 9 kids.
Okay. Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am graduated high school.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Kuwait from March 2014 to May 2024. I work 4 members family with one couple, 2 children, age 4 years old and 7 years old. My main task is taking care of the kids. I do house cleaning, ironing, cooking, and washing clothes. My main task is taking care of the kids.
Okay. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am, I finished my contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, cheerful, and loving mother.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
I have undergo cesarean operation 14 years ago, and the last 2009.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my family financially and save the future of my sons.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of other children and children with tantrums?
I will show them that I care for them by playing with them and being friend to them.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.